Meaning of inestimable.
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 Inestimable. The word inestimable means something that is impossible to estimate or measure. It refers to the value of things that are so precious that their worth cannot be calculated. In other words, it denotes the significance of something that goes beyond any possible numerical or material evaluation. For instance, one's health, love, relationships, and life experiences are all inestimable. They are priceless and cannot be quantified. The word conveys a sense of importance that surpasses anything that can be captured by numbers, emphasizing the emotional, spiritual, and intangible aspects of life.